Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your data with Cloudflare, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the dashboard for the specific site you want to work with. On the left sidebar, click on the Logs option. Locate the Firewall tab within the Logs. Here, you can view firewall events that might have caused data loss. If you suspect misuse or malicious activity, review the logs thoroughly. Next, head to the Caching tab. Select Configuration to access the cache settings. Look for the Purge Cache option. You can either purge all cached files or selectively remove specific resources. If you need to restore a previous version of your site, click on the Pages tab. Choose the specific page you want to recover. Look for the Version History option. From here, select the desired version of the page to restore. Confirm your selection to revert back to your chosen version. Next, if you use Cloudflare's DNS, check your DNS records. Ensure that all records are correctly set and active. If needed, you can modify records to restore connectivity. Finally, it's crucial to monitor your site closely after recovery. Make sure to implement additional security measures to prevent future issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.